Welcome back. Continuing the news. In this evening's health report, Shamela Pullen looks at post-traumatic stress disorder.
The health report is post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, is a mental health condition caused by a distressing or frightening experience. This can be directly experienced or witnessed.
Well, in Jamaica, we have had a number of mass shootings where individuals are attending a function and there is a shootout and a number of individuals at that. Those individuals are numb for a while and they are exposed. They are seen with what has happened. Also motor vehicle accidents, individuals that have been in motor vehicle accident, they can have post-traumatic stress disorder, and also individuals that see it on television.
Common symptoms include flashbacks, nightmares, anxiety, and intrusive thoughts about the traumatic event. Symptoms of PTSD may not surface immediately after a traumatic event. In some cases, symptoms can be delayed for weeks.
It comes out of the blue. You might be walking down the road and something reminds you of the incident and you have a flashback, and then you begin reliving the situation and you act out as if the incident is happening now. There's also depression. People with post-traumatic stress get depressed, they get anxious, and their life basically has changed because these incidents happen intrusively.
Seeking professional help as soon as possible can help prevent symptoms from worsening.
It's one of the ways is psychotherapy, talk therapy, and then there is also re-exposure therapy. You slowly go back to the incident and talk about the incident and expose you more to the incident. So over time, you don't have the reaction to triggers as you did before. But many people, over time, having good support system can overcome post-traumatic stress disorder.
Meanwhile, the psychiatrist says the outlook for PTSD varies, but treatment helps. It is also important for persons to do follow-ups with their healthcare provider. With our health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.